Are you tired of telling yourself, I'm going to start walking every day, and then either not starting or stopping within a few days? If that sounds like you, you are definitely not alone, and this video will help. In this video, I share an easy 6-step plan to develop a daily walking habit without any pressure or burnout. Steps 4 and 6 are my favorites. A quick note, I'm not a healthcare or fitness professional. Kindly check the disclaimer in the description below. Before we dive into the plan, will you take a quick moment and share in the comments what's your biggest walking challenge right now? Let's dive in. Step 1. Start tiny. Start small, ridiculously small. The goal is to build momentum, consistency, and confidence. Intensity can come later. I suggest start with walking 5 minutes a day, 5 days a week. The built-in break days help you grow into the habit and keep you on track the rest of the week. And if 5 minutes, 5 days a week sounds like too much, hold on. Step 4 might help. Step 2. Habit stack. Connect walking to something that is already part of your routine, like brushing your teeth, eating. When working on a new habit, it's often best to work on it first thing in the morning before life takes over. I suggest trying walking right after brushing your teeth or having breakfast. Step 3. Keep it super simple. When adding something new to your routine, it helps to make the change if you keep it super simple. I suggest walking in whatever you're wearing for the activity in step 2 you decided on. No special preparation needed to start walking. Step 4. Show up. Commit to showing up positively, persistently, and consistently. There are going to be days when you feel like, I can't walk for 5 minutes. I don't have 5 minutes to walk. Tell yourself, you just have to walk for 2 minutes, and if at the end of it, you truly don't feel like walking, you don't have to do it. Most days, once you get started, you'll keep going. And if not, you at least showed up. That's how you build a habit. Step 5. Track and celebrate. Use a calendar, sticky notes, or anything else to give yourself a check mark or a smiley face on the days you walked, a heart for the days you met your goal. Keep this visual walk tracker somewhere you see often, like your desk, the refrigerator, or a bulletin board. Every time you see it, it will motivate you to stay on track and grow into your habit. Step 6. Hit reset when needed. Missed a day or more, it's okay. Life happens, change is difficult. Stop the quitting spiral. Just hit reset and get back to walking. As you get comfortable with walking 5 minutes a day, 5 days a week, consider adding in a little more time, an extra day. Just remember to make small changes so that you can grow into a steady walking habit. And you don't have to. But remember, if you talk about your progress or even about walking with a family member, a friend, or in an online community, it motivates you and propels you forward. If you made it all the way to the end, give me a thumbs up in the comments and let me know if I can help you in any way to get started with building walking as a daily habit. Thanks for watching. Keep walking, stay active, and I'll see you in the next one.